Hello everyone. So here we have one simple example to delete the records from the MySQL database. So again we have imported that mysql.connector, and then for connection we are writing host, then user equal to password equal to, and in our case the database and name of the database is my database. Then we have created cursor object, and then we have written one SQL query that delete from the table name, which is student, where city equal to what? Mumbai. So it will delete the records, or you can say that number of rows where the city equal to what? Mumbai. And we are executing that query using the cursor object. And again, one more time, I will repeat the meaning of this commit function. So obviously, it will get reflected in your database, and then it will print number of rows, or you can say that records deleted. So control S and F5. Okay, so four records are deleted. So let's check the output of this. Okay, we have that here. That is name of the database as my database, and table also student. And now you all can see there are only three rows. Okay, four rows are deleted where the city equal to what? Mumbai. Thank you everyone.